I
love it.
conjured up this story. No, and I didn't make it up though. It's a true story. When I was a little girl, we lived in a log house, but we had a lean-to made to it, which took in the kitchen. We could do the kitchen. Well, one day, something funny happened. Alarm went off. Alarm clock went off. And us kids were all excited, and Daddy, come here, what's happening?
Where was the alarm clock?
Well, I'm about to tell you. And when we got all around together, we always put linoleum on our floors, but the floors weren't even, and you know, it wasn't a good job. Anyway, Daddy cut a hole in the linoleum about where he thought this was, and also took a board out of the floor.
Is that where it sounded like the sound was coming from?
Yeah.
Oh my.
And so when we took the board out, us kids were all around. I remember us 3 girls, and of course Floyd's never in the picture. He took the board out, and sure enough, there was a nest with little baby pack rats in. Anyway, there was our alarm clock that we'd been looking for. And apparently it might have been run down, you know, because you have to, yeah.
Keep rubbing, boy, you'll get
anyway,
money out of that.
Where am I at now?
So you found a nest of babies and your alarm clock.
Yes, and a bunch of pens. We were missing. Look, they were precious to us because we couldn't afford to buy more.
My.
And here was anything with silver on it. They liked that.
Well, hell, I can't say.
So,
Something shiny.
Pins or pens?
Pens.
Yeah.
yeah.
Wow.
And so then, that's the end of the story, I guess. But Daddy put the board back and the piece of linoleum back, and that was the story.
Well, what did you do about the rats?
Couldn't find them.
Oh, they weren't in there?
No. Just what?
The nest and all of your stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said there were babies in there. Oh.
Well, there might have been, but I can't remember.
But you took care of the rats and you got your things back.
Yeah. Well, as far as the rat, we didn't do anything with it. Then chase it away, I suppose.
But then they had to quit accusing each other of losing stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Last time I used that pen, I did this and that and whatever.
Yeah.
The alarm clock was not anything to sneeze about because they're expensive. They were baby bin.
Baby Ben.
And they were small ones.
Yeah. Good thing you were at home when it went off.
Yeah.
Because if it had gone off when you were out to the field or at church, you never would have known it was there.
No, huh?
Wow.
That's great. The baby Ben story.
Well, Laura, the
Love that. Love that story. I never heard that before.
no, I probably never told anybody. I just was laying there thinking of different things that happened
Uh huh.
to us during the day.
Kathleen,